So I think magpupuyat ako tonight. Good morning, everyone. This is actually good. This is the sweet tea lemonade na I got from SNR. Today is a Monday and we don't have classes because Independence Day. So let's unbox my recent purchase. Kagabi pa to dumating, pero hinintay ko talaga mag-morning para ma-unbox ko to in front of you guys. Actually, hindi naman to big purchase kasi this is just a magic keyboard for my iPad. So you guys know I have my iPad Pro. Parang ang sayang naman kung for entertainment lang yung purpose nito. So I kind of want to use it also when I'm in Taft. If ever I don't want to bring my laptop, ganun, I'll bring this. I tried bringing this one sa campus and then nag-notes ako gamit yung Apple Pencil. I realized na mas prefer ko pala kapag tinatype ko yung notes ko. So yeah, let's do an unboxing kasi sobrang excited na ako. Finally guys, I was able to set it up. Oh my gosh. Ganun na pala siya kadali. Like, namamagnet pala siya here. And nilagay ko na rin yung Apple Pencil ko here. So I can't wait to use this sa campus. And I wanna say huge thank you pala sa A&M Gadgets for helping me source this. Super last minute ako nag-decide na gusto ko talaga ng keyboard. So, nag-DM lang ako sa kanila last night. Sabi ko, if possible po mapadeliver yung keyboard tonight. Then ayun, napadeliver na siya agad. So super thank you po A&M Gadgets. So ayun, I'm so excited to use this sa campus. Or explore ko muna paano siya gamitin. Good morning, everyone. For those who are asking, nasan ako? Nasa hotel ako right now kasi it's going to be a busy day for me. Basically, later, mayroong event. So, gusto namin malapit na sana dun sa area. But yun, for all that, midterms na kasi namin, guys. So, mayroon akong 2 exams for the next few days. Super dami kong aaralin. And ang dami ko pang isusulat for my reviewer. So, yeah, samahan niyo ako ma-stress sa vlog na to. So yeah, I woke up early today para masimulan ko na yung notes ko and reviewer ko for my law exam. And then after nun, mag-aayos na ako for the event. And hopefully after the event, matapos ko na yung reviewer ko for my law exam. Wish me luck. Guys, look at my shirt. Kita niyo ba? So this is my bag and I brought with me itong reviewer ko. Kasi yung law exam ko na iti-take ko sa Monday, I believe over 75 yun. Pero, pwede kaming magdala ng handwritten notes. That's why, yung tatapusin ko today, para sa mismo exam day, review na lang. Pero, super thankful ako na pwede handwritten notes habang nag-exam. Or like, pwede notes in general. Super lawak kasi ng scope ng exam. So, super thankful na pwede yung handwritten notes. I also brought itong mga sticky notes, ganyan. Kasi, dun sa digital notes ko, meron ako mga comments dun. And then, yun yung ilalagay ko dito. Like, additional info lang. Isi-stick ko lang siya. Kunwari, ganyan lang. Yeah. And then, bala ko to gamitin. Para per chapter, ito yung divider ko or something. Yun ang gagawin ko today habang maaga pa at meron pa akong time magsulat kasi later na yung event. So, let's go.
you when you leave.
By the way guys, I used itong Life and hair dryer. Every time I travel or even sa house, ito yung ginagamit kong hair dryer because super dali niya bit-bitin. This is not sponsored but I will link it below. Okay, so, actually, puro basics yung mga binili ko. Wala lang. Yun yung kailangan ko talaga and hirap kapag yung may mga loud prints kasi parang nakakatakot biglang may kapareho pala ako sa event. First, I got itong ribbed tank top and I got this in the size small. I also got one in medium. Sorry, medyo lukot-lukot na siya. Dalawa, para if ever gusto ko ng fitted, I'll go for the small one. And then, I got mga basic baby tees. Kasi, yung mga ganito, wala lang kapag kailangan ko lang ng plain top, ganun. I got one in gray, and of course, in white. And lastly, I just got itong black pants. And anyway, yun lang yung mga nabili ko from H&M. Punta kami na SM Makati nga kasi dun ko na i-continue yung notes ko. Kailangan ko na siya matapos kasi malapit na yung exam ko and sisimulan ko rin yung reviewer ko for accounting.
어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누워있길 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 쏟아졌지
Hi everyone! Post-exam.
Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy word. Felt like a fairy tale come true.
It is currently 4:51. Ito ako nasa live kasi meron kaming meeting with the brand. So mag-zoom kami ngayon. Buti na lang wala akong class kasi yung class ko 6 PM pa. And yung meeting namin is 5 PM pala. So, yan. Mag-login lang ako sa Zoom. I also bought my second matcha for today.
Might be your good time. Pumping sweet cake, cookie friends. Well, this is my place for you. Still I remember and still your December.
everyone. I just got home from school after a long day. My class ended at around 7:30 p.m. and it's currently 10:51. It's almost 11. I'm happy na tapos yung law exam ko, pero tomorrow I still have an accounting exam or midterms. And hindi pa ako totally nag-aaral doon kasi nga I spent my weekend studying about law. Ay, akala ko magkakaroon ako ng time today after sana na exam ko. Hindi ko na-realize na hindi pala siya kaya ng time kasi super daming kong inaral for law. And ito ding accounting, super dami. So I think magpupuyat ako tonight. So I don't really want to kasi I just know na kapag hindi kompleto yung tulog ko, hindi magko-function ng maayos yung utak ko. So yeah, I don't really know what to do. Pero magpapahinga muna ako. I'm gonna watch a few videos, listen to music I guess, and just recharge myself para lang ready na ulit ako for tomorrow. So yeah, I'll show you guys my notes. Wait. We have 2 chapters to go through and I made tables and para lang hindi plain tingnan yung notes ko and hindi ako antukin. Anyway, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow na lang. Try ko na lang siguro mag-answer ng mga exercises for tonight para makatulog pa ako. Pero isipin ko na lang after nito, wala na akong gagawin, wala na akong exam this week, and makakapag-enjoy na ako for the weekend. I'll see you guys in campus na lang kasi I don't think makakapag-vlog pa ako ng study with me dito. Good night, everyone!
한결편안해 지고했어 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈에 번지를 했어 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어 왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 blue 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night 생각은 동전이란 같아 뒤집어 생각하란 말이야 어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아